Victoria Falls is dry. Like not even a drop of water coming down from here. Papa need Discord. Details right now.
We're back with another video for you. Just continuing our journey, but this time with the bridge walk and the rainforest. So first off, we're gonna start off with a small history before we actually take you on a journey of the bridge walk with us. Which is part of the bridge walk tour. You first start off with a little play. So we're just going to show you a little bit of it, and this is basically us just taking videos before we get to the place, and we were extremely late, so we were running and then we took a pause and stopped for a while. So stay tuned and enjoy the play.
When we first heard that Cecil John Rhodes planned to build a rail from Cape to Cape, we all thought that he was running mad, until Douglas Fawkes and partners were invited to tender and awarded a contract to design this bridge. We had to consider the fact that this bridge would be almost constantly wet due to its proximity to the waterfall. So it had to be designed in a way that it would shed off water so that it wouldn't rust. We also had to consider that a heavy total load would be borne when trains crossed. So allowances needed to be made for this movement. So we chose parabolic arch type of a design is meeting all these requirements. This is the low hinged type of a design with its 4 feet mounted. They pivot on the steel bearings in the concrete abutment so that when the tropical sun blazes down, this great arch gets to expand, lifting slightly while turning on the hinged bearings, but at the same time allowing for compression underload.
So guys, the drawback was that this design had to be built from both ends of the gorge to meet in the middle, which meant that the huge amount of materials had to be transported from the Zimbabwean side to the Zambian side, and this enabled both sides to be constructed at the same time, and they used a cable transporting technique to carry the tons of steels across. At that time, the Victoria Falls Bridge was the highest bridge in the world. It was constructed with 1,869 tons of steel, and the bridge is 125 meters above the river, and it is 198 meters long. And in about 25 weeks, on an early Saturday morning on the 1st of April, the lower arch was joined to within 1 inch of perfection. And it took about 30 experienced constructors and about 250 to 300 local laborers. Anyways guys, this is just a historical timeline that we've just attached to the video, so if you'd like to just have a look at it, feel free to pause the video and go through it.
I take you, you take me.
Yes, what are you doing?
Bridge tour.
Yeah, but besides that, where are you going?
Under the bridge.
To do what?
To walk across the bridge and back.
Ah, and this is our lovely tour guide.
Yeah. Oh, I want to make sure that I write a good story about you guys.
And now we survived. See you. Thank you. So guys, some interesting facts we received during the play was that the construction workers during the period of the construction had to battle malaria, black water fever, and the heat. And because of how hot it was, they had to carry their tools in buckets of water because the tools would become too hot to handle. Too hot to handle, baby.
It's not even moving that much in this area.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's a train up there.
So the train is passing right here.
Anyways, guys, this was the craziest part of the experience because above us there was a carriage crossing and you could actually feel the bridge shaking. And this flexibility is the key strength of the bridge. And one of the biggest advantages they chose for this bridge was that it would be self-supported.
Papa need Discord. It is right now. We have what we call the dry water season. This is when Victoria Falls is dry. Like not even a drop of water coming down from here. Just a small portion of water coming down on the Zambian side and a small portion on the Zimbabwean side. Which means Zambezi never dries out. Okay, but it will be a bit low. Now, after the dry water season, it starts to shape up a small form. You may think we call it the boiling pot because it looks like it's boiling. But the main reason we get to discover it when we do the jet boat. That jet boat is offered by sheer water. And what it does, it takes you right toward the falls. Almost right underneath the falls. But before you get there, in the middle right there, you start to see bubbles emerging from underneath the water as if it were a pot boiling. And that's the main reason why they call it the boiling pot. Later, if you still have energy, guys, and the kanamacha, if you have eaten and you're full, you have an option of going to the Zambian side of the falls and come down through the bush, coming down. There's a pathway for people in there. And you'll be like those guys down there. Right close to the trees.
I can't see them. Oh, there.
So that's one other activity that you guys can actually
Okay, so at this point we just asked him a quick question regarding how often they do maintenance checkups. And according to him, he said that Shearwater does a maintenance checkup on a daily basis.
So Shearwater is the company that we used to book our bridge tour
And most of our activities.
Then every 6 months we have engineers that come here and check the roof bearings and stuff like that. And then after that, every 3 years we've got international visitors.
Okay.
International engineers that come and check everything. Alright. So the question that you're actually asking is who owns the bridge?
Is what?
That's the actual question you're asking, right?
Who what?
Like,
owns
who
the bridge?
owns or who has the rights to the bridge?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this bridge is owned by both Zimbabwe and Zambia.
Okay.
They came up with the plan of creating a company called Image Rail Company. So this company is Image Rail Company. This company is the one that owns Victoria Falls, that owns Abani, that owns Waterfront, and that owns the bridge. These are establishments that were established a long time ago before this was Zimbabwe or these are Rhodesian establishments. So all these things, they're now run by Image Rail companies. Now Image Rail companies, we have engineers from Zimbabwe and engineers from Zambia coming together, collecting money from Zimbabwe and collecting money from the Zambian side and collecting money from Shearwater so that they can maintain the bridge.
Anyways, guys, this is just a historical timeline that we've just attached to the video. So if you'd like to just have a look at it, feel free to pause the video and go through it. Us just going back to the Zimbabwean side, and it was pretty hot, guys. It was very hot. I think it was literally about 34 something.
Next up, we had the rainforest, guys. In the rainforest, you could spend a minimum of 4 hours because of all the viewpoints, and it was quite pricey for the international.
Don't wear your shower cap now, bro.
Bro, I need to be ready.
Okay, fine.
Hi to the camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Okay, say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Hi, people.
No, he's about to have a YouTube soon.
Yeah, really?
So you subscribe.
Really? Okay,
No,
fine.
I'm joking. Please like and comment and share on the UsheTwins YouTube.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's what we're doing, guys.
Our little cousin is so dramatic, guys.
Like
But
very
she's
dramatic,
really
but
sweet.
the sweetest person.
Oh my gosh, I look exactly like that. I also have this shower cap on my head too. Where are we going? Rainforest. Flowers.
Yes, ma'am.
So where are we going?
Rainforest.
Severin. Severin. See. Yo.
Bro, look here.
Outfit check. So guys, we went back home and changed. And Shanti's wearing some biker shorts with a top and some flops. And with the shower cap. Don't I look weird? What you doing? Oh my god.
How did I stay?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
At this point, we had messed up the viewpoint.
Yeah, so you'll see we started at viewpoint 3
Instead
and
of
4
1.
Instead of 1.
Yeah.
But we later on went back. So yeah, enjoy. Hot, yeah. Yo. Guys, look at that. Guys, look at the water pressure. Anyways, guys, look at that water pressure. Just amazing. Water pressure. So there are 19 viewpoints, which 1 to 16 are on the Zimbabwean side and only 17 to 19 are on the Zambian side.
And the Zimbabwean side has 80% of the view, and the view of the falls from both countries are amazing. But
Yeah.
lost these in.
Hey, Chami. Hey, Jam Jam. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. But anyways, one of the 7 wonders stretching up to 1.7 kilometers between Zimbabwe and Zambia.
Most people ask the question, when is the best time to visit the Victoria Falls? Well, the best time to visit the Victoria Falls is during rainy season. And the climate of the region falls into 2 categories, wet season and dry season.
Which the wet season is from November to April, and then the dry season is from May to October.
Basically, the best time to visit depends on what you want to see, do, or experience.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, that's enough talking from us. We are
We
just
going
gonna let you enjoy the video.
and the experience that we experienced. I mean, the video does not do enough justice.
To this place, basically what we saw and what you guys see right now is just 2 different experiences. So we highly recommend you do plan a trip to Victoria Falls
And visit one of the 7 wonders, guys. So,
and
yeah.
put that on your bucket list. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, ciao.
Go
m'a quitté, oh. Quand j'avais un peu, oh. Malgré midi soir, on était ensemble, oh. À la rue.
You know
Tis in again.